Alright, so a little change of pace. Now I'm in a kayak. And oh god, kayaks make me nervous. Kayaks make me so nervous. I left my phone and my wallet and the other camera in the car, so I don't have to risk. I'm just awkward in kayaks, guys. Like, so awkward in kayaks. And then Lucas and Aaron just got in the canoe and took off. So I don't know if they're gonna be in this part of the video or not. Lucas just told me I'll figure it out and took off. So I'm so glad I'm not over there. Having problems, Lucas?
Aaron is a terrible kayaker.
You're a terrible teacher. Of course he's a terrible kayaker. You're in a canoe. And now they're in a tree. Why? Why would you? Why? You have a whole damn quarry. You have a whole quarry and I have to move. We're gonna go over to this little corner. See if we can get anything over here. I at least have to catch a fish on this kayak. If I don't, that's kind of embarrassing. And I'm spinning. And I'm spinning. Still spinning. I can't fish like this. What is happening? Got one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Got one. Oh, hello, cutie. Hello, Mr. Bass. Okay, I have to figure out a good way to do this. Dang. Huh? Hey, Lucas. Got one. I caught one. Not big, like a pound. There you go, buddy. All right, let's fix this. I thought I was hung there for a second, but sure enough, that was fish. So we got a fish on the kayak. That's pretty sweet. All right, let's see if anybody's home here. I had one come up and hit it when I was reeling it in, but other than that, nothing really extravagant. Look how clear this water is and how deep it goes down. That's insane. I'm getting blown right into it. Right into it. Which, I'm just kind of riding the wind now. Just gonna see if anybody's home over here.
Damn it, you took the spot I was gonna catch.
There he is. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
I saw that, man. You should have had that.
Oh, my God. All right, guys, we are back. I had my battery die right as soon as that fish got off, so I'm hoping. How you guys doing? Yeah? No luck? What kind of cast was that?
Kind of like that big one, but smaller.
God, that one was... Got him? No? Oh, dude, I got one too.
We doubled up?
Yeah, we doubled up.
Here, let's get that on video.
Hang on, I can't.
No.
I can't move my Cinco. I lost my Cinco.
You lost yours too?
Oh, you lost yours?
Yeah.
I only have one. Oh, okay. I don't know how he bled, but we doubled up, so that's pretty cool.
So, both at 3?
I think so. Oh no! Oh my God! And there we go. Whew, okay. I'm gonna hit this wall. That's exactly what's gonna happen. It's usually whenever I get distracted is whenever these fish decide they want to bite. Yep, I'm gonna hit the wall. There it is. Such a child. You turned 18, grow up. Oh my God, I had him. Yeah. There he is. Oh my God. I've got to re-rig this up. What the heck is happening? It did. Yep, it did. I got him. Oh, don't you throw it off. Don't you throw it off. Here he is. There he is. Oh, okay. Oh. All right, all right, all right. You didn't swallow it, did you? No, we're okay. Ah, there he is. He's got beat up too. Woo. Does he have it? He's got it. Oh my God, he had it. He had it. Oh no, a tree. Be sweet if there's a snake on this tree. But there's not, so now it's just kind of inconvenient. Really inconvenient. Especially if I get a fish right now. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here it is. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. Oh God, I got a fish! And when I get a bass, I'm reeling in the leaf. Oh my God. I told you guys, as soon as I hit. Okay, all right, this is awkward. This is awkward. What do I do? What do I do? Really? Okay. These bass are loving this Senko though, that's for sure. Lucas is having problems. He's not catching many fish. And Aaron's like me, he doesn't know his right from his left. So Lucas is trying to give him directions. It's not working too well. Wow, okay, we're going in this tree. Let's not do that. Oh, that's a fish. That's a big bass. Big bass. Another one. Why is it always when I go into trees? Open your mouth, dude. This is not a negotiating thing. Ow. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're gonna fight. Ow. Here. Got the fish. There's the turtle. Jesus, sir. Holy crap. You just don't care. Literally, don't care. Look at the turtle. Almost. He took off. All right. There should be a bass over here. Nice little sunny bank. I'm getting blown into again. And these bass, I mean, this thing goes down so deep, it's ridiculous. You would think these bass, okay, I'm getting blown away from where I'm trying to cast. There he is. Oh God, almost. Oh, oh my God, he almost had it. He literally still had it in his mouth. Oh yeah, I'm moving away. I'm moving away pretty quickly. Come on, fish, if you're gonna hit it now. If you're gonna hit it now. If you're gonna hit it now. Dude. Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it. Oh, I thought he already hit it. There he is. Got him. Another one. All right. Come here. Come here. Oh God, you dick. Ah, stop it. Stop that. I'm going in the bushes. Another fish. This is the most intense. God. Okay. We stopped in the bushes. There you go. See him, guys? He's pretty cool. Look at him just take off. Wow. Straight down. Huh?
I said Get him.
Yeah, I got him. There he is.
Oh my god.
Oh, come here. No!
Oh!
Whatever, he got on film, it counts. Ah!
No!
No, what is this?
What is it?
I banked up on something. Did you lose your Cinco already? You haven't even caught enough fish to lose your Cinco. Huh? Pretty sure I caught like 4 times that many.
What?
This is not good. I got a fish.
Who?
Yeah. Why is it always in the sketchiest? Ow! There he is. Good job, buddy. Okay, I get it. All right, we gotta go back to shore. He just broke off my hook. And my Cinco is half-life. So, well guys, oh my God.
Are you kidding me? And where's your Cinco?
Oh, that's gone.
Oh, okay.
So I'm out of a Cinco. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Love y'all. This was a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I reckon I'll see you guys in the next video. It's crazy. Crazy.